There are three main reasons why your laptop can't connect to Wi-Fi. First, it could be a software issue, like outdated drivers or incorrect settings. Second, it may be a hardware problem with your laptop's Wi-Fi card. Finally, there could be issues with your router or internet service provider. We'll cover fixes for each of these, starting with the easiest. Before diving deep, let's try some simple solutions. First, toggle airplane mode on and off. This resets your network connections. Next, restart your laptop. This can resolve temporary glitches. Finally, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and plugging it back in. These steps fix a surprising number of Wi-Fi issues. Outdated network drivers are the cause of most Wi-Fi problems. These drivers control how your laptop communicates with Wi-Fi hardware. To update them on Windows, search for Device Manager in the Start menu. Then expand the Network Adapters section. Right-click your Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. On macOS, check for system updates in System Preferences, then Software Update. Both Windows and macOS have built-in troubleshooters to automatically scan for and fix common Wi-Fi problems. On Windows, access the Network Troubleshooter through Settings. Open the Start menu, search for Troubleshoot Settings, and select Other Troubleshooters. Click Network Adapter and run it. The tool will automatically scan for issues like incorrect settings or driver problems and attempt to fix them. On macOS, hold the Option key and click the Wi-Fi icon in the menu bar, then select Open Wireless Diagnostics. The tool will guide you through scanning for connection problems and monitoring intermittent failures. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the diagnostic process. These built-in tools can resolve most common Wi-Fi issues automatically, saving time compared to manual troubleshooting. Wi-Fi security settings play a crucial role in maintaining stable connections. Using outdated encryption methods can lead to compatibility issues and connection drops. For optimal security and compatibility, ensure your network uses WPA3 encryption. This is the latest standard that prevents unauthorized access and reduces connection problems. Older protocols like WEP or WPA are insecure and often incompatible with modern devices, causing frequent disconnections. To check your settings, open a web browser and enter your router's IP address, typically 192.168.11 or similar. This accesses the admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless security section. Verify the encryption type is set to WPA3 or at least WPA2 if WPA3 isn't available, and update the settings as needed. Sometimes Wi-Fi issues stem from IP address problems. Your laptop gets an IP address from the router via DHCP, but conflicts or incorrect assignments can prevent connection. On Windows, use Command Prompt to release and renew your IP address. First, open Command Prompt as administrator. Type ipconfig/release to let go of your current IP address. This command releases your current IP configuration. Then type ipconfigs-renew to get a fresh IP address from the router. This requests a new IP address, which often resolves connection issues. On macOS, use System Preferences to renew your DHCP lease. Open System Preferences, go to Network, and select your Wi-Fi connection. Click Advanced, then the TCP/IP tab. Finally, click Renew DHCP lease to get a new IP address. This renews your IP configuration and can fix connection problems. If software fixes don't resolve your Wi-Fi issues, you may have a hardware problem, like a faulty Wi-Fi card. Test your Wi-Fi connection with another device to rule out router issues. If only your laptop has problems, consider taking it to a repair shop for professional diagnosis. USB-C Wi-Fi adapters with built-in 5G modems offer a quick workaround for connectivity. Looking ahead, AI-powered troubleshooters will become more common in operating systems like Windows 12. These tools can predict Wi-Fi issues before they occur and fix them automatically, reducing manual troubleshooting by up to 40% based on current beta tests. Hybrid 5G Wi-Fi laptops, expected widely by 2027, will automatically switch between cellular networks and Wi-Fi signals. This addresses dead zones and minimizes connection drops, solving no network problems in up to 70% of cases, according to industry forecasts. To take advantage of these advancements, keep your laptop's operating system and drivers updated. This ensures compatibility with AI troubleshooters and hybrid connectivity, maximizing Wi-Fi reliability in the coming years.